Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Team Connect. In today's video tutorial guide is going to be a simple step-by-step procedure in making withdrawals or claim of your earnings in Aureum. So to begin with this tutorial guide, let's take notice of the investments or earnings I currently have in my wallets, or let me say in my back office, with is 8 USDT. So to make claims, just click on the claim button here. It'll connect to your wallet. Then you type in the amount to withdraw. So let's assume 7.99. Then there is a tax of 5% that will be deducted from the amount, and the amount I'm expected to receive is 7.59. So now I can click on the claim, which will then connect to my wallet and then confirm. Request completed. USDT has been sent to your wallet. So let's go to my wallet to confirm. All right, so on here it shows the deduction. Now let's go to my wallet. So USDT shows 0 balance, and let's refresh. Okay, so there we have it. Instant, swift withdrawal procedure in Aureum, and this is how simple it is to make claims or withdrawals of your earnings from Aureum. Peace out.